Hey y'all, wake up, man, it's Cole the Barber. Now in one of my earlier videos, I mentioned the top to bottom method. One of my subscribers hit me up and he was like, he didn't understand. So if you just like him, stay tuned to this video and I'm gonna explain the bottom to top and top to bottom method. Let's get to it. Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to do the bottom to top method. So basically what the bottom to top method is when you start from the bottom with the smaller blades or guards and you gradually go up to the larger blades or guards. So say for instance, our model here was getting a taper and he wanted a 1.5 on top, right? So 1.5 on top, right? So with the bottom to top method, we would start with the smallest blade or guard. And in this case, the smallest blade is the barbers or the trimmers. So you're gonna ball them out first at the bottom, go up to your masters or your seniors, close, halfway, then open, then a 1A, then a 1.5 against the grain. And we'll repeat the same method on the back table. Start with the barbers at the bottom, go to your masters or your seniors, go to your 1A, then go to your 1.5. And that's starting from the bottom on up to the top. All right, next, we got the top to bottom method. So the top to bottom method is basically the exact opposite. You're gonna start with the 1.5 on top. You're gonna go against the grain with the 1.5, which is the big blade or big guard. Then you're gonna go to the 1A. Then you're gonna go to your masters or your seniors, open halfway, close, and then you're gonna go to your barbers. It's the exact opposite. Now we're starting from the dark and the big blade, and we're gradually going down to the smaller blades, right? So we're going in the exact opposite direction. All right. Once again, we'll repeat the same method on the back table. We're here with the 1.5 on top. We're gonna go against the grain with the 1.5 in the back. With the 1A, masters or seniors, open halfway, close, then the ball. So remember, bottom to top, we're starting at the smaller blades at the bottom, and we're gradually going up into the bigger blades. Top to bottom, we're starting at the bigger blades on top, and we're going down into the smaller blades on the bottom. And y'all already know, my favorite method is top to bottom. Reason being, I feel like it takes less time to blend or fade from the top to the bottom because you don't create a line. When you go on bottom to top, basically got to create lines throughout the blend or the fade, which is going to cause you to do a lot of work because you got to take each line out as you put it in. To me, that's safe fading. That's for beginners. I'm not a beginner. I have good fade placement, so I can blend from the top to the bottom because I already know where my blade's gonna be. Now, it's another method that barbers do. It's like a skip guard or skip blade method. I don't really agree with that shit because, like I said, I don't like creating lines and having to take them out. I'm an experienced barber. I already know how a person's head shape and all that shit like that. So I already know where I'm gonna put the blend and the fade in, which blade gonna go on what spot. So I just put them in those spots and put the blades away, and it cuts your time. Now, it's probably barbers out there that's fast with the bottom to top method or whatever and the safe fade method, but I ain't with that. I consider myself an artist, so I already know where things gonna go according to the shape of the head and the cut that I'm giving. Hey, I'm Cole the Barber. Now, I hope this video helped y'all understand the bottom to top and the top to bottom method. I've been getting hella questions and hella DMs about strategies and tools and all that to use, and I'm gonna answer every one of them. So if this video helped you, like it, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, wake y'all ass up.